What's up, guys? We got a 2023 Chevy Camaro. These cars are getting really hot for theft all over the United States. We do sell the shock sensor kit, so anybody who's interested in getting the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm, because right now the only way that the alarm will fire off is somebody opens the door. Nobody's going to do that. They're going to bust out your window and jump in. So we do have kits available online. You can go to addshocksensor.com. That's addshocksensor.com. You may give us a call when you're ready to purchase it. Okay, it comes with an installation video exactly filmed on this gen of Camaros, 24, 23, 22. You know, we also have it for the older Camaros. It's a do-it-yourself kit. That's why we make the video for dummies. You know, so you be able to do the installation yourself. The way it works is once the alarm is on, right now, if I didn't have a shock sensor, I can take a baseball bat and destroy this whole car, jump in, plug a laptop into your OBD port, clone another remote, and I'm out of here. I'm out of your driveway. Now, they know better not to open the door because the alarm will fire off. But if they bang on the window, that will set off the factory alarm. Okay. By the way, doesn't interfere with your remote start. The remote start still works. Okay, just wanted to clarify that because sometimes we get an email that people will ask us, yeah, I would love to install the kit, but I want to make sure it doesn't have anything to do with my remote start that comes from factory. No, it doesn't. At least my kit, it does not. I don't know about somebody else's, but ours don't interfere with the remote start. Whenever you're ready to place an order, you may give us a call at 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Anybody out of state, that's where you're going to come in. You'll get your installation video and you'll be able to do this installation yourself. We thank you for watching this video.